Hey, what's going on? It's Ontarian Hawkins from ProdigyMarketingOnline.com. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a Four Corners Alliance sales funnel. Okay, for those of you who are in Four Corners, this is for you. This is going to help you to set up a sales funnel so that you can market solely the sales funnel for Four Corners. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is make sure you have the your link, your join link inside of the PLS system. Okay, so you want to come here to accounts, come to business, and click on companies I promote. Okay, I already have my Four Corners Alliance group link in here. It needs to look just like this. I'm going to copy it in another browser because when they hit the join button, you want to take them straight to the join page where they can join, where they can put their information right here. Okay, so it needs to say https colon slash slash www number two dot four corners alliance group.com forward slash your username forward slash join forward slash one. Okay, make sure you have this. It needs to look just like this. Okay, you can pause this video and make sure you get this link for www number two. Make sure it's https colon slash slash www number two dot four corners alliance group.com forward slash your username for Four Corners forward slash join forward slash one. Okay, we're going to use this link. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to come to this section here, scroll down, and click on, you want to find Four Corners, which is at the top. Four Corners, right here. Four Corners. Click Save and put the link I showed you just now. Put the link in there. Okay. Gonna click Save, put the Four Corners link there, and hit Save. All right. Now that you have that, you want to come and create a subdomain. Okay. You want to create a subdomain. So come to Websites, Domains, Manage Subdomains. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to name this Four Corners. Let's just name it Four Corners. Going to hit Create. Okay, now come to Websites. Come to Copy Web Pages right here. Copy Web Pages. We need a capture page first, so that's what we're going to pick first. That's what we're going to pick first. Is a capture page, okay? So we're going to scroll down. We're going to pick, let's see here, right here. This one right here. It says Four Corners PLS TM Horses Capture. This is the one you want right here. Click right there. Scroll all the way down. Hit Make Me a Copy. You want to name this. Name it Four Corners Funnel or Four Corners Sales Funnel. You can name it something like Success with Ontarian or Success with your name, because that's going to show up in the tab right there. Scroll down. We want to pick the subdomain we just picked. Pick the subdomain we just picked right here, Four Corners. Okay, Four Corners PLS system. Actually, on this one, you can keep it there. If you're not in Traffic Monsoon, that's okay. Definitely get in Traffic Monsoon because it's going to help you with your marketing. So you can leave it right there when you get in Traffic Monsoon. or you can think this is the right one right here, 3-step formula. Now, ultimately, it would be wise to get an Aweber account, and do your own letters. And here, when you do that, here you will click do not send autoresponding letters. But for the purpose of this video, we want some autoresponding letters going out. So we want to pick uh, either this one or this one will do. Okay, either one will do. Step 4, you want to pick 4 corners presentation, and let me show you how it looks. This is how it looks right here. Now, when you hover over this, you should see your 4 Corners Alliance group join link in the bottom left corner. If you don't, you need to go back to companies I promote. But if you did the companies I promote section and you pick 4 corners, you should be okay. When they click here, it's going to take them to your join link. Okay, so you want to put 4 corners. You want to click here and put 4 corners presentation. Okay, everything else is right. You hit save. Okay, now let's change the background, right? Let's change the background. So we're gonna do this, and I'll give you the code for this. I know you guys wanted to change this, so I believe it's this one. Let me make sure. Yeah, I think it is. It is that. Okay. So this is a code from a YouTube video, and for you guys who are looking at this, I'm going to give you this code via email. Okay. I'm going to hit submit. We can actually edit this. You can edit this to your liking. Okay. Edit this to your liking. I'm going to change this part right here. You can put something like, let's see, one time, and you can change this to your liking, guys. One time 18 out of pocket system is changing lives daily. Okay, something like that. You can change it up how you want it. No worries. Okay, this is just a training video. Scroll down, you hit save. All right, now check this out. We're going to view it now. And there we go. Nice little background, moving background. Very, very catchy, very eye-catching. The person can put their email right here and be taken to the presentation. Okay. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it on how you set up a 4 corners sales funnel. Okay. I will be emailing the YouTube code to you so you can put that in so you can get this particular moving background, this particular movie. Okay. So my name is Ontarian Hawkins. I'm with ProdigyMarketingOnline.com. Hope this video helped you out, and talk to you soon. Take care.